Hello everyone, welcome to watch the Longsin video show about the smoke detector. Now I will show you this smoke detector. It is our LS-828-14AD power. This detector with two kinds. One is for AC 220 power. Another it is for DC 9 voltage power. First, I show you the battery power non-DC. See the power for battery and the power for AC 220. Now I test if this detector is working. Okay, it is working. Now I will show you how to operate the smoker. See, there is smoker full of the stick detector. See this side. We can see the LED already flash.